Hello, third and fourth graders. This video is intended to show you how to get to the skills that you need to practice. Okay, so again, you're going to type in IXL.com and then you're going to type in your username and password, which should be your first and last name 388. And your password should be the same as your MSAD 72 password. If you're having trouble logging in, please either email me or have your parents email me and I will send you your username and password. Okay, so then when you get here, we are currently under the Learning tab. If you did not complete your diagnostic assessment yesterday, you can continue to work on it. You will know that it is done when it tells you exactly where you fall, okay, on the skills. If you still have a bar that's in between, let's say 700 and 800, it means that you're still trying to figure out where you are. Feel free to continue to work on your diagnostic assessment. But I also want to make sure that you watch the skill that I presented on Google Classroom and that you are practicing that skill as well. So again, up here, this shows you what one you're under. So I'm on learning. On learning, you should see the word recommendations. This is what is recommended for you to practice based off of your diagnostic assessment, your pre-test. I don't want you working on this. The skills that I want you to complete, there are 3 skills right here that I have suggested for you, okay? As you can see here, each of these skills, this is for 4th grade, each of these skills fall under Q, okay? So if I click this, it tells you the 3 skills here. For today, Tuesday, I want you to work on decomposing fractions multiple ways, okay? This is the instructional video that I gave you. This is the skill that you are going to be working on. Tomorrow, Wednesday, my video is going to be about adding fractions with the same denominator, and you will complete this skill. Okay? It's going to probably take about 10 to 15 minutes for you to complete each skill. It's not that long, okay? We usually do about an hour of math a day. So you watch the video for 5 minutes, you practice your skill for 15 minutes, and then if you'd like, 15, 20 minutes, then if you like, you can go on to Prodigy. I'm not going to say that you have to, but if you want to, you can do that. Or you can move on to the next skill and try it. It's totally up to you. But again, we do about an hour of math a day, so making sure that you're trying to keep up with that would be a good idea while you're at home. All right? All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please don't stress. Life is good, and I will talk to you guys soon.